Hello students of class 4. Very good morning to all. This is your English text class. Today we will read the story Helen Keller. Already we started the story. Today we will continue the story. So please get ready with your book. It is Helen Keller. Okay. Let's summarize the previous class. Helen Keller is a little girl, bright little girl, okay, and her and she lived with her parents in Alabama, okay. When she was a little baby, she fell sick, and after the sickness, something was wrong. What was the wrong? Her mother could understand something was wrong because after sickness, Helen was not the same as she was. So, after the sickness, they realized that Helen could not see and Helen could not hear, and that was shocking for her parents. But Helen was a bright little girl and she was very dear to her parents. But the problem was she could not communicate. She could not make other understand what she wants. Okay. So her parents felt sorry for him, but still they loved him very much. Okay, this is the up to this we read the story. And Helen began to grow wild. He would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry because she was like confined in a state from where she could not get out. That was the problem. Okay, so today we will read the next part. Her parents thought they should find a teacher for her because it was very difficult for her parents to communicate her. That's why they thought they should find an expert teacher who can help her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Then came the angel. Angel means here here Miss Sullivan, the young teacher, she came like an angel in her life. Okay, her parents thought they should find a teacher for her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. The first day when she came to meet Helen, she gave Helen a doll. Okay, DOLL, spelled doll. Okay, she spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She spelled the word with her finger in Helen's hand. DOLL. Okay, she made the letter with special hand signs. Okay, she made the letter with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher. That means whatever her teacher did in her palm, in her hand, Helen just copied the same thing and spelled DOLL too. But she did not understand what she was doing. Though she could not understand what she was doing, but she just copied her teacher. Okay, Helen liked Miss Sullivan. These things signify that first thing, Helen could communicate with someone. Okay, so that's why Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. She spelled a lot of words for Helen. On her hand, she used to spell lot of words in her hand. day and night to make Helen understand. That means Miss Sullivan was trying her best to make Helen understand the words written on her palm, written on her hand. One day, her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. One day, what her teacher did? Her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled WATER. Suddenly, Helen understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Then Helen understood that water means something wet running over her hand. She then understands that words were the most. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Words are like keys to enter the world of others, world of her parents, world of the real world. She was confined into her own world from where she cannot communicate, she cannot make other understand. But now she understood that words are the keys through which, by using these, she can communicate to the whole world, to her parents, to her teacher. Okay, so this is the story. Here are some new words: dearly, illness, agreed, important. Dearly means very much. Illness, you know, sickness. Agreed means of the same opinion. Okay, and important means a great value. Okay, this is the story. Now we will do the question answer part. Get ready with your copy, students. Get ready. The first question is, something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? Now write the answer. Helen could not see or hear after her illness. Helen could not see or hear after her illness. Next, although Helen could not hear or see, what kind of girl was she? Write the answer. Although Helen could not hear or see, but she was a bright little girl. Who agreed to help Helen? Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn and to see the world. Okay. Who agreed to help Helen? Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn and to see the world. Next, number 4. How did Miss Sullivan help her? How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Miss Sullivan taught Helen many words like doll, water. Miss Sullivan taught Helen many words like doll, water, full stop. She spelled a lot of words for Helen. On her hand to make her understand. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hands to make her understand. She also made her understand the importance of words. Words. Full stop. Next, number 5. What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? When the teacher made Helen put her hand into the running water and she spelled water, Helen understood it. Helen understood that water meant something wet running over her hand. Now number 6, the last question. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? Now write the answer. Helen understood that words were the most important thing in the world. Helen understood that words were the most important thing in the world. Full stop. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Full stop. These lines are from your text. Just read the text and you can easily remember the question answers. Okay. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next class.